What if I told you that one small habit could be the difference between financial freedom and living paycheck to paycheck? What if I said that most people are one step away from losing control of their finances? Are you one of them? Today, I'll show you the most powerful tools you can use to take control of your money before it controls you. These are the top budgeting apps for 2024. Stay until the end because there's one app on this list that might just shock you with what it can do for your financial future. Let's face it, living in today's world means dealing with rising costs, impulsive online shopping, and endless subscription services. It's a financial minefield. Without a clear plan, it's easy to lose track, overspend, and find yourself in debt. Remember the time you subscribed to that streaming service you never even watch? Yeah, we've all been there. Point 1. Mint first on our list is Mint. Mint has been around for years, and there's a reason it's still a top choice for budget-conscious people. It's like having a personal assistant for your finances, tracking your expenses, income, and bills all in one place. The beauty of Mint is how it categorizes your spending automatically, so even if you forget what you've been spending on, Mint won't. Plus, it's free. But before you jump into downloading, I'll reveal an app at the end that's gaining massive popularity among young investors. So stick around. Point 2, YNAB. You need a budget. Now for the serious budgeters, YNAB. It's an app designed to make every dollar work for you. The philosophy behind YNAB is simple. Give every dollar a job. Whether it's saving, spending, or paying off debt, your money has a purpose. This app can literally change the way you think about money. It teaches you to plan ahead, avoid living paycheck to paycheck, and most importantly, how to stay flexible. Think about it. Do you really want to be worrying about money at the end of the month? NAB is for the people who are serious about building wealth. Now, don't get too comfortable. We've got even more powerful options ahead, including one app that does something YNAB can't. Point 3, PocketGuard. Next up is PocketGuard. If you've ever asked yourself, can I afford this, before buying something, this app has your back. PocketGuard shows you exactly how much spendable money you have after accounting for your bills, savings goals, and everyday expenses. Imagine being able to make smarter spending decisions in real time. No more guesswork, no more buyer's remorse. But there's one more app on this list that might just revolutionize how you think about your financial future. Point 4, Emma. Enter Emma, the app that's quickly making waves. Emma is not just a budgeting tool. It's a money management platform designed to help you avoid overdrafts, track subscriptions, and even find sneaky bank fees you may not know you're paying. What sets Emma apart is its ability to connect all your bank accounts, credit cards, and savings accounts in one place, making sure you're always in the know. Did you ever think your finances could be this easy to manage? Well, Emma might just make that a reality. Final app reveal, Monarch. And now the app I've been teasing, Monarch. Monarch isn't just about budgeting, it's about planning for your financial future. Whether you're saving for a home, a new business, or retirement, Monarch helps you track your net worth and offers investment insights to help you reach your long-term goals. This is the app that goes beyond the day-to-day budgeting and gives you a comprehensive look at your entire financial picture. Imagine not just keeping track of your budget, but also understanding how to grow your wealth. That's what Monarch can do for you. By now, you should have a clear picture of how these apps can change your financial life. Whether it's Mint for keeping everything organized, YNAB for making your money work harder, PocketGuard for real-time spending, Emma for complete financial control, or Monarch for long-term wealth building, there's an app for everyone. The longer you wait to start, the more financial opportunities you'll miss. So what are you waiting for? Download one of these apps today and take control of your financial future. And if you want to take your financial game to the next level, I've got something that'll blow your mind. Check out my next video on how AI is transforming investing. Unlock your financial future with robo-advisors and smart trading. Click the link on your screen now.